Evolution of water analysis, 1975 to 2025. In the mid-70s, water testing was simple and mostly manual. Titrations and gravimetric methods were the standard tools in every laboratory, precise, but time-consuming. By the late 80s, colorimetric kits and UV-Vis spectrophotometers became more common, making routine analyses faster and easier. Early ion chromatography also began to appear, marking the transition to instrumental techniques. The 90s saw the rise of GC and IC for environmental and industrial applications. Automated methods gained ground, reducing human error and increasing throughput. In the 2000s, technology accelerated. ICP-OES and ICP-MS became the benchmark for trace metals, while TOC analyzers measured organic carbon with high precision. Laboratories started to focus on emerging contaminants. Today, water analysis has entered a digital era. LC-MS/MS detects pharmaceuticals, PFAS, and micropollutants at ultratrace levels. qPCR identifies microbial DNA in minutes. And smart sensor networks now monitor water quality in real time. If you enjoy analytical chemistry, subscribe, more trends and instrument evolutions are coming.